Eto na. Eto, medyo to eh. Ha? Ipasok na natin para maganda. Eto, no? Alam niyo naman, no, na medyo nagkakagirian sila PBBM. Hindi naman nagkakagirian, ginagawa ng issue ng iba na kung saan nung maaalala nyo, no, nung ASEAN. Yung salita ni PBBM, sabi, maanghang yung mga banat ni ano ah. Pero sabi naman ni PBBM, hindi naman dahil sa maanghang yung mga banat natin dyan, kundi facts lang, hindi maanghang. Ayan. Sabi dito, no, Marcos congratulates Xi as China takes over APEC 2026 chairmanship. Bulol na si Pan. So, kung si PBBM ang maglilid ng ASEAN, ang maglilid naman ngayon ng APEC si Xi Jinping, si President Xi Jinping. Sabi dito, President Marcos Jr. had a cordial encounter with China President Xi Jinping in South Korea, even congratulating him on his country's chairmanship of the Asia-Pacific Economic Corporation next year. Two leaders were Asia-Pacific leaders attending this year's summit in South Korea this weekend. A snapshot showing the handshake between the two leaders has been posted on the Facebook page of Marcos. I congratulated President Xi Jinping as China assumes the APEC chairmanship in 2026 and reaffirmed the Philippine commitment to partnership and meaningful cooperation in our region, Marcos said in a Facebook post. Marcos earlier denounced the Chinese dangerous maneuvers and aggressive actions in the West Philippine Sea that put Filipino maritime authorities and fishermen in danger. He was also opposed to China's plan to establish a nature reserve in Bajo Masinloc, which violates not only Philippine sovereignty but also the traditional fishing rights of the Filipino. On the South China Sea, it is regrettable that incident continues to occur in the West Philippine Sea, which endanger the lives of Philippine personnel and compromise the safety of our vessels and aircraft, he said during the regional summit held in Malaysia. To help ease the tension, Marcos has backed productive negotiation for an effective and substantive code of conduct in the South China Sea. Yan. So, ang okay naman, no? Napakaganda nung optics. Si PBBM lumapit, kumamay, kinongratulate eh kasi in-announce. Right after na i-announce na ang magiging chair, no, ng APEC si President Xi Jinping, putya, ang dami nagsabihan. Nabasa ko pa isang panot din. Sabi ko sa inyo, huwag kayong magtitiwala sa panot eh. Kung si Boss Mark na panot, wala, iiwan ko na yan. Si Tolnyolo kasi kanina bumanat, nakita ko, sabi ko, hindi, pero, yun nga, meron isa, no, etong sino ba to? Si Dada. Hindi na sana mentionin natin yan dahil ulikbalang naman yan. Ang problema, gumagawa sila ng issue yung mga vloggers ng anti-administration, no? Yung mga DDS vloggers na kung saan sa sobrang sakit ng kanilang naramdaman ng ipakulong ang kanilang pinakamamahal na dating presidente, ayun, kalaboso. Hindi, pero hindi yon. Gumagawa ng kung ano-anong issue na kagaya na yan. Sabi, sabi dati, babanat-banat siya nung nasa Asian Chinese, sa Asian ASEAN. Kung ano sinabi sa China. Nung nagkita sila, natakot. Siya pa unang kumamay. Siya pala, talagang traidor, sabi. Sabi ko, ha? Talagang traidor? Sabi ko, bakit? Anong pinagsasabi mong talagang traidor pala? In-announce. Welcome ladies and gentlemen, the new chairman of the APEC Summit for 2026. Ladies and gentlemen, President Xi Jinping. Palakpakan, no? Eh lang nga naman lumapit si Xi Jinping tapos kinamayan si PBBM. Oy, congratulations. Congratulations sa akin. Tanga rin to si Dada eh. Walang nga ka talaga Dada oh. Kaya bilib na bilib ka sa akin eh. Ang tatatanga mo eh. Oy, bawal pala yun. Sorry naman, sorry. Ikaw talaga Dada. Uy. Oh, yan ha. Okay ha. Sorry. Ayun. Pakinggan natin ha. Meron lang akong babasahin dito. I think it's a long read pero hindi na natin babasahin yung full kasi ito yung tropa natin to si Ma'am TPL3 of course. In an firm grip, a lot was said and unsaid. At the APEC handover. Kita nyo, tatalino kayo pagka binabasa nyo to. Parang ang talino ko eh. O kunyari, ako yung haharap sa inyo, tapos ako yung nagsabi. Eto lang ang tingin ko dyan ha. Dyan sa pagkakamayan, sa kamayan ni PBBM at saka, let me show it to you para at least medyo mas kita nyo. Ang sabi dito, ang basa ko rito, it's a firm handshake. It's not a surrender. Bakit nga ba kumamay, no? Si PBBM? Is it a diplomatic sense? In one firm grip, a lot was said and unsaid. At the APEC handover in Jeonju, President Bongbong Marcos Jr. walked to the Chinese President Xi Jinping, look him squarely in the eye and extend his hand. Cameras clicked and room hushed. And for 2 seconds, two men who steer the fate of the sea and economies lock palms in the choreography of power. Yan ang tingin ko. Okay. Diba? Parang ang galing ko eh, diba? Pero binasa ko lang. Yun yung punto na may salamin. Cameras click in the room, hash, and for 2 seconds, to man, blah, 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 mali. The geography of the gesture. In global politics, handshakes are rarely casual. Their mini summits distinguish as courtesy. Malaking bagay yung pagkakamayan na yan. PBBM's move wasn't just about Xi. It was about the audience watching from 3 angles. Oh yeah! Diba? Kita nyo? Dapat ganito yung mga pina-follow nyo eh. Para at least si Ma'am TPL3 yan ha. Tama nga naman. Global audience. Oh. First, the foreign watchers. The handshake told the neighborhood that the Philippines is mature enough to engage without capitulating. It showed our ASEAN peers and Pacific allies that Manila can talk to Beijing even while holding its ground in the West Philippine Sea. Napaka-importante. Filipinos don't yield. We don't. Diba? Acting, not apology. Diba? Yung maganda ron eh. Pero, wala tayong magagawa eh. Kasi, kailangan nilang may masabi na against kay PBBM. Ay, napakaganda niyan. Ayan, kinamayan na nga. Nung sabi nyo, makikipaggera-gera tayo. O ngayon, kakamay-kamay ka. Biro mo, kahit hindi na natin i-debunk yun, sila na bahala ron. Self-defeating na yung ano na yun. Yung narration na yun. Yung naratibong ganun. Oh. So, ayan, napakaganda. So, tayo, hangad natin na maging magkaisa, lalo o mas tumibay pa yung samahan ng China at ng Pilipinas habang hindi natin ibinibigay yung ating karapatan dyan sa Baho de Masinloc, dyan sa West Philippine Sea. Ipaalam natin dyan sa ating kapitbahay, no, na atin yan, na West Philippine Sea yan. At ang West Philippine Sea ay hindi isang haka-haka lang. Yun. Ay, ginagalit nyo ako eh.